Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're making Southern Squash Casserole. Creamy, cheesy, and topped with a buttery Ritz cracker crust that gets perfectly golden in the oven. And I'll show you how to keep your squash casserole from turning out watery, because that's the biggest mistake most people run into with this dish. For this recipe, you'll need yellow squash, onions, Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, pepper jack cheese, salt, pepper, cayenne, garlic powder, eggs, butter, sour cream, and Ritz crackers. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and slicing the onions and yellow squash. Try to keep the slices fairly even so they cook at the same rate. Then crush the Ritz crackers in a mixing bowl and set them aside for the topping later. Now, heat some butter in a cast iron skillet over medium heat, and working in batches, cook the sliced squash and onions until they're softened and lightly browned. This step is really important. Squash holds a lot of water, and if you put it into the casserole raw, that water releases while baking and can make the casserole runny. Cooking it removes a lot of that moisture and also adds a lot more flavor too. As each batch finishes, set it aside in a mixing bowl and continue until the squash and onions are cooked. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs, sour cream, salt, pepper, cayenne, garlic powder, Parmesan, and shredded cheddar cheese. This mixture is what brings the whole casserole together. The eggs help it set, the sour cream makes it creamy, and the cheese adds both flavor and texture. Don't forget, you can always check the description for the full ingredient list, step-by-step instructions, and the complete recipe. If you love comfort food recipes like this Southern Squash Casserole, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, hit the bell so you don't miss future recipes just like this one. Now stir the cooked squash and onion mixture into the seasoned egg mixture until everything is evenly combined. Spray the inside of a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray, then pour in the squash casserole mixture and spread it out evenly. Now it's time to make the topping. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter and pour it over the crushed Ritz crackers, then add the remaining Parmesan cheese and shredded pepper jack, and stir until everything is well combined. Sprinkle the cracker and cheese mixture evenly across the top of the casserole. Bake the squash casserole at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes or until the center is set and the edges are bubbling. Then switch the oven to broil on low or about 550 degrees to brown the top a little bit more. Watch it carefully here because the cracker topping can burn quickly under the broiler. You're looking for a golden brown, crispy top. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. This gives the casserole time to firm up so it slices and serves much easier. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your squash casserole turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.